السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، متابعين قناة الأعزاء. اتعادل ليفربول امبارح في مباراة رهيبة، مباراة ماراثونية كان بطلها النجم محمد صلاح، مع أحرز هدف التقدم لليفربول في الدقيقة 85، وكان ليفربول في قرب خلاص يوصل ويفوز بالمباراة. استطاع نيوكاسل ان هو يتعادل بنتيجة 3-3. تعالوا مع بعض نشوف رد فعل جنوني لجيمي كاراجر اللي كان بيهاجم محمد صلاح في الايام اللي فاتت. بيقول ايه؟ بيقول ادوه اللي هو عايزه بعد هدف محمد صلاح. يلا بينا.
Over. Trouble. Salah! Give him what he wants! Give him what he wants! Give him what he wants!
Offside.
Oh no, me stickers come on. Oh God, that's...
What a finish.
That is a good finish.
It's a good finish.
Oh my God.
First touch, righty. Look,
Fuck
first
off.
touch, bang,
It's
swivel.
beautiful.
Through the legs.
Honestly.
Oh.
You know something? That's what you need. You
Look,
see,
look through the
this
legs.
is what you need
Shit.
when you are when you're going to try and win a
Through his
league.
Come on!
Somebody just comes to life like that.
Yes!
That's what I said to you. He said asking for a draw. Honestly.
Oscar Bob. Oh, that's massive.
Fuck, he said that. Oscar Bob.
Salah, man.
Eh?
Salah,
Oh, my God.
He's player of the year.
Bad one, that.
Player of the year already. I'm
That's a
calling
bad
it.
one.
Win it and Liverpool pip them and
إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما.